Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup of your brand new device. So, when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the same exact screen, though it might be in a different language. So we just gonna click right here, where we have this arrow pointing down, and we're gonna choose our desired language. Now for me, that will be English. And then we can select Get Started. Then we have some important information. I am aware of the important information. Yeah, I am. Whatever that might be. Obviously, you can tap on the important information to find out what that actually is. And from there, you do need to select Accept, so it's not like it really matters what's in there. Now moving on to the next page, we have a Wi-Fi connection page. Now we do have the option to set it up offline if you choose to. I am not necessarily 100% sure if that is the case if the device is fully brand new when you first boot it up. I believe you still should be able to skip it, but there is a chance that you will need to connect to it. If that is the case, then choose your desired Wi-Fi and connect to it. I'm going to select Setup Offline, which will just speed up this process a little bit, and also will result in me not having the option to log into my Google account throughout the setup process. So this will be one page that is kind of missing from this. Also, we won't have the option to restore the device and get software updates, though this is not a page. And then also date and time will not be set automatically, so we will have a page where we can customize and tune the time to be correct. If it's not, which if you connect to network, the device will automatically set up the date and time based on the network. Anyway, I'm going to select Continue. Then we have check the following. I am aware of the content of the end user license agreement. Of course I am. And then we have optional, so no one cares. So here's the date and time. You can fix it up if it's incorrect. If it is, then ignore it and go to the next page. Have some Google services. So we have services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now the last one sounds kind of sketch, so I'm going to turn it off. I can tap on the arrow to extend the explanation of what or diagnostic data gathering is. As you can see, it's a pretty long explanation on basically we know what you do. Which I think that's basically the gist of it. And if you compare it to something else like allow scanning, which expands it by a single additional sentence, or location, which I guess extends it by 2 paragraphs, it seems a little bit extensive, but oh well, it's Google. Anyway, let's go to the next page, which automatically tell us that we need to set up a PIN. Now this is optional. It defaults into a PIN, so if you want to protect your device but maybe not with a PIN, you can click Screen Lock Options, and this will also give you a pattern or password as an option as well. And obviously, if you don't care about protecting your device, you can skip this. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure that I want to skip this. And then we have Continue Setup. Well, if you put it that way, I guess I'm going to continue. So here we have the continuation, which is system navigation. We have 2 different methods, the typical OG 3-button navigation, and the more recent one, the gesture navigation, which is what I'll opt into because that's just what I prefer personally. Moving on to the next page, we have, we don't have anything, we have finish. So there we go. That's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.